Yes, good evening, everyone. Let's wait for a few more minutes to others to join so that we can get started with the session. In the meantime, if anyone have any questions related to previous sessions or doubts, you can ask me. I'm happy to help you regarding the assignments, regarding the questions, anything. Am I audible? Everyone, am I audible? Can you put it in the chat? Okay. Everyone, anyone have any questions or doubts regarding the previous session or regarding any assignments? Okay, no questions. Achita, Shruti, Pavitra, you don't have any questions. All good with everything, or you guys did not try it. Previous class, last 20 minutes, you understood. Obviously, anyway, we will take it from there only. No need to worry. Last 20 minutes, we discussed about the campaign, and today we are going to discuss about the campaign only. So don't worry, we will take it from there. Apart from that, any other questions? Fine. So let's start with the today session. Let me share my screen. Is everyone able to see my screen? Is everyone able to see my screen? Mm, Shruti, Archita, are you there? Am I audible? Is my screen able to, are you able to see my screen? Okay, fine. So let us go with the where we stopped in the last class. We have seen the Facebook page. So initially, let's say we will find out some Facebook page. So let's say right now this is one Facebook page. And from here, click on the Meta Business Suite. Okay, Meta Business Suite. Then you are able to come to the Meta Business Suite. And then you have a ads manager. Okay, to go to the ads manager dashboard, you'll just come to the ads manager and then the campaigns. So it's launching or loading. Okay, this is one of the campaign. Now we can change the ad accounts here. So right now you can see it is with one of my personal ad account. So if you click on this drop down, okay, so you can see all of these are business ad accounts. So right now I just want to go to the some business ad account. And you can able to see this is these are all the campaigns which are earlier created. Okay. Suppose if you don't publish the campaign, it will show in the draft. Okay. Like the way suppose if you prepare some email and if you don't send the email, it will go to the draft, right? So similarly, if you create a campaign and if you did not publish the campaign, it will go to the draft. Okay, suppose if there is any some payment issue, then it will show the payment error. Or if the campaigns are off, you can see the these are off. And suppose if I click on the if you toggle this button, okay, if you toggle this button, then it will change it to the on. So it is loading because this is a very old campaign. I just make it on. I just made it on. So it is loading. Let me try to refresh. Okay, so now it has opened. And now you can see there is another payment error. So it means simply there is some payment issue with this ad account. Okay, that is the reason the campaigns are not on. So I'm just switching off the campaign. So you can see on the top, okay, 50%, 70%, 100%. Okay, it is still loading because of some issue. So I just refreshed. Now you can see. Let us continue from where we stopped. Okay, we have stopped, we have started creating the campaign. In the last two classes also, we tried creating a campaign, but we are not able to do because of the some network issues and because we see in the other topics. So now let me edit. Okay, suppose if you just hover your cursor. Okay, if you hover your cursor, if you hover your cursor to the campaign name, okay, whichever the campaign you want to edit, then you can see, just a second, it is still loading. It is still loading. See, are you able to see? Is everyone able to see the publish, edit, and duplicate here? Is everyone able to see? Can you put in the chat? Hello, am I audible? Yes, I need a response. Okay, so you are able to see. So just click on the edit. Then you will go to the campaign edit. Okay, so I just clicked on the edit. Now you can see the campaign name. Okay, this date is a part of a template. So I'll just disable the template and you can able to see the campaign name, what is the campaign objective and what is the budget. Okay, whether are you putting the budget to the entire campaign or to the individual ad set. And then the and then the once you select the budget. So see, in the budget, you have two options. One is a daily budget and second is a lifetime budget. Daily budget means daily how much you want to spend for the ads. Okay. So whether it can, it can start from 100 rupees to anywhere. Even if you have a some 10,000, 20,000 rupees also, you can keep it. Okay, so it will spend in the one complete day. Let's say in a day we have a 24 hours, right? In a 24 hours, it may spend equally, or sometimes it may spend, let's say, between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. If there is more response, then it will try to spend more amount there. So, how much response, which part of the day you get a more response, it will try to spend um, most amount, and then but it will make sure that throughout the day, let's say if it spend some 12 suppose it's 90 rupees by evening 7 p.m. Okay, so the remaining it will stop. Okay, it will slow down the ads and it will show, make sure it will show the ad till it spend 100 rupees. Okay, whereas if you select the lifetime budget, okay, some 10% or 20% it may up and down. Okay, okay, it is not necessarily only 100 rupees exactly need to spend. Sometimes it can go to the 110 rupees also. Sometimes it can spend only 90 rupees also. Okay, but it depends on the response. Whereas if you select a lifetime budget means for a specific period. Okay, for a specific period means, let's say in the next in the ad set level, I will show you whether how much amount you want to put. Suppose if you select yeah, sorry, here you can see ad set scheduling. See, deliver ads at all times, set a schedule for ads. Okay, if you select a deliver ads at all times, it will try to show and through an entire day. Suppose if you set a schedule for ads, if you click on it, then it will we can set a schedule. Okay, so means see, right now we are discussing about the budget, how much budget we want to put. Okay, and what kind of a budgets are available. We already selected lead campaign. So you have a two types of budget. One is a daily budget, second is a lifetime budget. If you select a daily budget means we are asking or we are telling to Meta that daily you spend 100 rupees or whatever the amount you put. Okay, if you put a daily budget 500 rupees, then it tries to spend 500 rupees for per day. Okay, if suppose if it exceeds the 500 rupees, it will stop the ad. Okay, it will only spend 500 rupees. Sometimes there may be some 10% or 15%, means 10-20% means, let's say sometimes it can go 110 rupees or 120 rupees, but it is a very minimal. Okay, whereas if you select a lifetime budget is for a specific period. Okay, that specific period, maybe it can be 1 month or it can be 1 week or it can be, let's say, 3 days. So where can you select 1 month or 1 week? That you can select in the ad set level. I will show you we will discuss that in the ad set level. Right now we are in the campaign level. Okay, so here you have the option deliver ads at all times, set a schedule for ads. So right now I'm just to show you, I'll just select a set a schedule for ads. Okay, and A/B testing. A/B testing we have already discussed multiple times, so I'm not going to continue for now. You can just check the previous okay classes. And we have already discussed the different types of special categories. Okay, when you are running the ads on any of these categories, you just need to mention. Okay, suppose if you are running the ads for the some bank, okay, banking services, some credit cards or some real estate, then you need to select special category. Okay, otherwise your ads will get rejected. So right now I'm just not creating that. Okay, I'm just creating a normal campaign. So after that you need to create an ad set name. So remember how to create an naming, how to give the naming. Is anyone remembered? Can you put in the chat how to give the name? I have already discussed this also. So let's say if you are creating some Independence Day offer. Okay, so you can write Independence Day campaign. Okay, or IND also you can write. You can you can write the short one also so that you can understand. Okay, so these things will not show to the people. Okay, in our ad. This is just for our internal purpose. Okay, let's say we have given the 15% offer on our clothing business. Okay, or let's say if you are promoting some hospital, generally there may not be offers are not good, but some types of you can promote some campaign. Okay, let's say Independence Day, and date also I can give, let's say 15th. So and also you can give the budget also, whether it is a daily budget. Suppose right now I'm let's assume I have selected a daily budget. Okay. So I just selected DB. If I select a lifetime budget, I may write LB. Okay, this is just for my understanding. So that when I see this name, I can able to easily understand. Okay. And conversion. What kind of a conversion? Conversion means you guys remembered, right? How many of you remember the conversion? So which way we people need to contact us? Whether through website and form, we are already selected this on the campaign level. Uh, inside what we selected is website and instant forms. Okay, so it is just asking for the confirmation. Okay, which one you want to? Some people to one location where you want them to convert. So suppose if I select website and instant forms, some people means either they can go to the website or they can go to the instant forms. Okay. But if you want to select any one, then it is asking where do you want to send. Let's say I want to send to instant form. Instant form means it will open a form. So see now it is updating the conversion location. Okay, it has selected instant form. It has selected. See, this is very important. Okay, selecting the right page is very important. If you select the wrong page, then your ads will run on the wrong page. Okay, this is a terrible mistake. Never try to do this. Always make sure which, some people they forgot to change this. Okay, you need to make sure which client or which business you are running the ad, and then you need to select only that page. If you selected a wrong page, then it's your ad will run on some wrong page, which is a terrible mistake, and in fact you may lose the job also. Okay, or the client also. So remember that one. So performance goal right now it has generally here also you will find the drop down. But for this objective, the objective which we selected is leads, right? So it is by default given me maximize number of leads. Means increase the number of optimize in such a way to increase the number of leads. Okay. There may be other options also like maximize number of clicks like that. But right now, since I have only one option, I can't change it. Okay. See, the maximized number of leads is the only performance goal available for this conversion location. Okay. So based on the conversion location. So right now we have selected instant forms. That is the reason. Suppose if we select, let's say WhatsApp, or if you select a website. So now I changed the conversion location. Now see, if you can find the drop down. Whether you because for a website you have a landing page views. Okay, means you can uh, increase the page views, or you can increase that link clicks. Okay, or whether you want to optimize as per the unique reach. Okay, how many people you want to reach. But right now we are selecting instant forms. Okay, so that is the reason this option is fixed. Okay. And what is a cost per result goal? Okay, this also I explained earlier. Suppose your lead cost, maybe you want to spend uh, only 50 rupees only you want to spend for one lead. Okay, see this one initially at first time you don't understand what is a average cost per lead and all. But once you run the ad, okay, suppose initially even if you don't put also this is fine. Okay, this is not a mandatory. Or if you just want to understand, suppose if it is saying mandatory, then you can just give some higher number, let's say some 100 rupees or 200 rupees, whatever. Okay, this is a by default one. Once you run the ads, then Meta will show you what is the cost per lead you are getting. Let's say you are getting the cost per lead for 30 rupees. Okay, then you no need to give it 100 rupees also. Okay, it's just optional. Suppose you want your lead, if a Meta is giving you the lead for 30 rupees, and if you want a lead in 20 rupees only, you don't want a lead for 30 rupees, then what you can do, you can give 20 rupees. Then what happens now? Meta will not show your ad to everyone. Okay, means because you have already limited your cost. Okay, you are already telling to Meta, if the lead is getting for 20 rupees only, then give me the lead. Otherwise, you don't give me any lead. Okay, if my cost is increasing, let's say 25 rupees, then Meta, what Meta will do, it won't show your ad. Okay, it will try to show your ad only if Meta thinks you will get a lead below 20 rupees. Okay, is everyone understand this concept? Can you put it in the chat? Yes. Any questions as of now? Hello, are you guys there? Is this concept clear? Yes or no, or not audible? I don't know. Am I audible to everyone? What should I repeat? Which concept should I repeat? We have discussed a lot of things from the starting. What about remaining? Achita, Madhav Sai, are you guys able to hear me? I want to be more interactive. Okay, if it is like one-sided, then there is no point. Okay, so fine. So what we discussed? Yes, cost per result is we are telling to the Meta how much we want to get the lead. Okay, whether we want to get the lead for lesser cost, or we want to get the lead for, suppose if we don't give anything, okay, or let's say if we put 500 rupees, then we are telling to the Meta that, even if I get a 500 rupees lead also, it is okay for me. Okay, whether you give the lead for 500 or 300, it is okay. You can just spend as much as you can. Okay, that is okay for me. Suppose if you just put only 50 rupees, then you are telling to the Meta that I need to get a lead for 50 rupees only. If it is going let's say 55 rupees, then don't give me the lead. I need only for 50 rupees. Okay. So what Meta will do, it won't show, if it exceeds the 50 rupees, then the Meta will not show your ad. Okay. So that is the thing. And you can see the rules and all. This is a slightly advanced. Okay. I think this is not required at this point. Maybe once you get some understanding about the Meta ads, then it will go to the, you can see the advanced. Okay, you can explore. Let's say here you can create a criteria. Okay, suppose let's say if you are getting the age range, okay, for 18 to 24, you want to increase the budget for 10%. Okay, compared to regular ad, compared to regular ad, if suppose if the audience age is 18 to 24, then you are telling to the Meta, increase my budget by 10%. Okay, or let's say decrease, you want to decrease, you can decrease. Okay, like that you can add a different criteria. Okay, suppose you can you can do multiple roles. Suppose if the placement, okay, for Instagram stories, okay, or Instagram Reels. Let's say you want to increase your budget by 10% or 20% for the people who are seeing your ad in Instagram Reels. Okay. So like that, you can set up this criteria. Okay. Multiple criteria. You can add the rules. Okay. Age related to age or related to placement. So right now, I don't want to set all these rules. So I'm just leaving like that. And then the dynamic creative. Okay, dynamic creative means what happens? Here you just provide the some headlines and some images. Okay, so if you just give some text and some images, what Facebook will try to do? It will try to generate the image. Okay, from whatever the images which you given, it will try to generate the ads using those images. Okay, that is the purpose of dynamic creative. But right now I don't want to go with the dynamic also. Okay, I will why because I want to show you completely no, as a normal creative. Okay, not a dynamic. So I'm not doing that right now. Similarly, you can see the catalog. Okay, this I will explain later. This is not a regular option. What is catalog? Catalog means what I told. Here you will add inside your products inside a meta. Okay. Suppose if you have a e-commerce website, uh, let's say Mintra or any e-commerce website, you are let's say or you are selling saris and you have a e-commerce website, then you can create a catalog. Suppose you can see this is the catalog which I have created for my business. So here you can create a products, okay, multiple products. I think my catalog got deleted because it's a long back. But here you can add products, okay. Suppose if you click on add product, either you can add manually. Suppose if you select manually, then you can add products manually. Okay, suppose new product. Okay, here you need to give the title, the description, your product link, your pricing, your sale price. Okay, what is the category, whether it is a baby product or clothing. Okay, let's say clothing, whether it is a new product or old product. Okay, all these details manually you need to add. Okay, like that you can add the number of products. Suppose you can also create an Excel sheet. Okay, suppose if you maybe if you take any e-commerce website, they have hundreds of products. So they can't manually add each and every product separately. So in that case, you will add as a data file. Okay, upload you can upload an Excel file. And you have a partner. Suppose if you are using Shopify or these are the here you can connect directly. You can connect your website to the Meta. So see, all these are different e-commerce platforms. Suppose if you build your website on Shopify, you can connect Shopify here. Then what happens? All the products which are there in the Shopify will come to here. And Metapixel is another type of ad in the products. But right now we don't have e-commerce one. I'm just leaving that. Okay, we will create a normal ad. Next, here ad set spending limit. Suppose for ad set spending limit, you can select. Suppose one ad set I want this only each ad set I want to spend let's say some 5,000 rupees. Means this is for only this ad set. Okay, I'm not talking about complete campaign. Okay, I'm talking about only one ad set. So see, right now we are in the ad set. This is a campaign, this is the ad set, and this is ad. Can anyone tell me how many ad sets which we can create in one campaign? How many ad sets we can create in one campaign?
మెయిన్ కేసు నీ దగ్గర ఉందా?
లేదా
మెయిన్ కేసు నీ దగ్గర ఉందా?
నేను వచ్చినప్పుడు చేస్తాను.
తీసుకుందా? ఇది నైట్ షిఫ్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు నైట్ షిఫ్ట్ వస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే.
రెండు రోజులు తర్వాత వెళ్ళిపోతాను. నువ్వు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు మాత్రం చాలా నీ దగ్గర లేదు కదా, చాలా వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చి వెళ్తాను నీతో. సరేనా?
ఎంతలో ఉంటుంది?
తీసా నేను నీ ఐటమ్స్ అన్ని ఎక్కడ చదువుకున్నావు? సరిపోయినాయా? పర్వాలేదు, కింద లేకుండా పెట్టుకున్నాడు. కింద ఉంటేనే కొద్దిగా ఎన్నికలు ఉంటాయి. వస్తున్నా ఏమన్నా మధ్య ఏం లేవా? ఓకే
అసలు లేవా అట్లా డోర్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఉంటాయి. యా సారీ, am I audible? Okay, so is everyone clear with this concept? How we select catalog? As of now, everything clear? Any questions as of now? Are you able to understand? Okay, great. So now, okay, here you can set a limit for the ad set. Okay. Yes, I have asked one question. How many ad sets which we can create in one campaign? How many ad sets I can create from one campaign? One, two, three, 10, 20. You can create as many. In fact, I think let's ask how many ad sets. Earlier it will be 100 or something like that. But I think you can create Meta. You can see Meta now official allows up to 5,000 ad sets per campaign. Okay. So yeah, it can be, it is also budget also. Suppose if you have just 100 rupees, you can't create more means obviously that won't work. But I'm just telling, theoretically you can create as many as possible. Okay. But practically you have a limit of 5,000. And then you can see the schedule. Okay, in the previous in the campaign level we have selected, we don't want to run the campaign at all times. We want to run the ads on a specific timings. Okay, so here you can see, here you can schedule now. Okay, suppose I want to run the ads on from 16th June to, let's say, from 16th June to from 31st July. Okay, I want to run the ads from 15th June to 31st July. You can also change the times. Okay, from what time to what time also you can select. Okay, this is your schedule, means from what when to when the ads should run. Okay, here you are defining. And then comes the most important out of everything is a location. Okay, which location? Suppose if you have a small clothing store in your, or small clinic, okay, in your location, let's say, okay, right now it is selected for India. think there is. I should be able to disable it, but a single rotation can't be removed. Okay, I think by default there is a single location will be there. Suppose let me add. Uh, can anyone tell me any location of your business? Any location? Yes, Hyderabad. Okay, I just see Hyderabad is a too broad. Okay, I want to in fact make it too specific. Okay, let's say there is a Jubilee Hills. Okay, so I select the Jubilee Hills. So see here you can select the radius also. Okay, how many kilometers from Jubilee Hills? In fact, Jubilee Hills also large only, but still, uh, whether it is for your business, maybe you want to select only 10 kilometers around Jubilee Hills. Okay, or you can in fact give the specific landmark also. Okay, maybe some police station or something. Okay, and you can select a radius so that it will try to show in that radius. Okay, that is a one way. For a large rotations, you suppose if I give Hyderabad. Okay, for Hyderabad, we don't generally. This is in Sindh. Okay, no, we don't want Sindh, Hyderabad. Okay, I select Hyderabad, India. Now see, Hyderabad, India is a specific location. Okay, here also you have the radius, and also here you can select the entire city also. Okay, if you just select current city only, then it will select the city. Okay, but if you want to select a radius, then if you need to select other option. While you are doing this on the right side, you can observe, okay, what is your audience size. Okay, suppose if you give more options here, let's say if I give only 17 kilometers. Now see the numbers will change when you change the audience, or when you change the budgets, when you change the uh, you can say different options. Okay, targeting and all. Here the estimated audience size will change. Okay, and always make sure that it is in a particular range. Okay, there is no such number, but you just it should not be too less, or it should not be too means very large. Okay, it should be some mid range. So I selected that, and after that the important thing comes, which is so I selected the location. So I have asked the show more controls. Now you can say minimum age it is showing. Okay, what 18 is the minimum age which we can select, or suppose if I want to target from 25, let's say real estate. Let's say you're selling real estate. Obviously, 18 years old generally they may not have the money. Okay, to buy, or they are not the right audience. Okay, from maybe 25 is a good age to start. People start exploring. So we can select that, and languages you can select that. After that, this is very important. I just want everyone to explore this option. Okay, although I will show you some basic things, but I want you to, this is a today's assignment, you can consider where I want you to explore each and every audience segment. Okay, Suppose I want to, let's say we want to target the age group of 25 to some 45. Okay. Now you can see earlier it is more, but now when I select the age, this audience size is decreased. Let's say right now we want to target clothing, then I will select only women. Now you can see it is further reduced. Okay, when we select the age, then it is still red. Okay. Now after this, something called detailed targeting, which is very, very important. So see, here you have three different things. One is a demographic, second is interest, third is behaviors. Okay, in the demographics, if you just click on this drop down, demographic means you have the education, you can target based on the people based on their education, or let's say I want to target uh, people who are studying in the universities, okay, or postgraduates. Okay, I don't want high school or okay. Let's say I only want to target post people who are studying the postgraduate. Now you can see here it is showing below 100. Means because we have completely limited. Okay, we have limited only for the below 1,000. Okay. So in these kind of ads generally won't because they are too less. No, so we need to broad. Okay, means obviously we just started, but I just want you to explore more. Okay, you can target based on the household income. Okay, let's say if the income we want to target top 10% of income. Okay, people who have a we are targeting the luxury segment. Okay, then we can select like that. Earlier it is only it is used to be there only for US, but now India also we can see. Okay, so suppose we want to target the uh, top 10%, top 30%, we can do that. And we can target based on their life events. Suppose let's say we want to target for the people who have anniversary within the next 30 days. Okay, means see why this many options for each business the targeting is different. Okay, so for every business, suppose let's say I have some gifting shop. Okay, some gifting shop or some okay where I am selling where I can target birthdays or anniversaries. Are you getting it? Is everyone clear with the concept? So like this you can target based on their anniversary, based on the family, based on the suppose people are away from the hometown, or you can target birthdays. Let's say upcoming birthday, some people okay, upcoming birthday. Let's say you're selling the cakes or bakery items. Similarly, you want to target birthdays in a specific month, or you can target based on the friends of, say, friends of a man with a birthday in next 7 days. Friends of a man, because why the friends? Because generally friends will do the party, right? Party or they present some gifts. So you can see, suppose if I want to target friends of the man with a birthday in the next 30 days, then I can increase my sales. So like that, or you are targeting long distance relationship where somebody is in new job, newly joined in a job, or new relationship, or newly engaged. Okay, within 1 year and newly engaged in 3 months, 6 months, newlywed parents. Okay, suppose you want to target for the parents for the kids up to 12 months or parents with adult children. Is everyone getting it? Comment down in the chat whether it is interesting. Is it interesting? Yes. You can see as many, you can see, you can go to the as detailed as possible. Okay, as detailed, as much detailed as possible. Okay, in a relationship, okay, suppose you want to target for the people who are single. Okay, you don't want the people who are married. Okay, you want to target say, people who are single. And suppose you want to target the employers. Okay, suppose I want to target the Infosys. Okay, see here you can I can target the Infosys technologies or Infosys BPO. Let's say I target Infosys technology or Wipro. Okay, you can target Wipro. It will give the suggestions also. Okay, but if you want to find all the options, you can search browse. Or if you just want to search, let's say I want to target based on the maybe people who are interested in watching television. Okay, you can see televisions. You can select, or I want to target the people who are have a luxury cars, who have a luxury cars, or who are interested in luxury cars. So see, these are all the people who are interested in luxury vehicle. Or I want you can target basically anything based on your business. Okay. I want you to explore completely the demographic. Similarly, you have interest segment. Suppose people who are interested in fitness, you want to target the people who are interested in physical exercise or sports or weight training. You can target based on the, let's say you have a gym, then you can target for the fitness people. Let's say you have a some electronic shop, okay, or electronic store, then you can target people who are interested in technology. Let's say you have a some gaming company, then you can target people who are into, or you have some entertainment company, then you can target people who are interested in movies or music. Okay, or somebody you are targeting sports, you have some sports accessories company, then you can target. So anything is okay. I can't say, there is nothing in this which is not there. So if you just go each drop down, let's say behavior. What is the behavior of the audience? Suppose let's say if somebody using mobile device user, okay, you can see them. Let's say I want to target the people who are using the Apple phone. Okay, Apple iPhone. Okay, iPhone 8 Plus. So I can, okay, that is comes under behavior. Okay, what the technology they are using, or whether they are mobile device user or digital activities. Are they gamers? Are they using of some MacBook? So everything, okay, which browser they are using? Are they using Chrome browser, Safari? Everything, okay, you can target business owners. Did you get it? Is everyone able to do it? So you need to just select, okay, whatever the targeting you have, all you need to do is you just need to select it. Let's say I want to target for the uh, cars, okay, people who own the cars. Okay, let's say I want to target people who are interested in Jaguar cars. Okay, because they maybe I think my brand is a luxury brand, so I want to target people who are luxuries. So like that you can target. So once you are done, that's it. You are done. Okay, now you can see we have a 5 lakh, nearly 5 lakh average audience. Okay, which is a good, nothing bad. Okay. After that, you can see the placements. Under that, you can have the more settings. Here you can again select the devices, whether we want to display our ad in all the devices, both mobile and desktop, or we want to show our ads only in mobile. So then you can select mobile. Okay, do you want to select all the mobile device, or you want to show your ads only for the iOS users? Okay, what is the version? So everything you can select, you can choose, and which platform you want to run the ad. Suppose if you think your audience will not be in the Facebook, then you can disable. Okay, now we are running our ads only in Instagram. Okay, like that. You can just select whatever you want. So see, if you select the platform, then audience size also changes. Okay, if I reduce my ads, and where you want to show the ads, whether you want to show, see, if you just hover here, you can see, suppose this is a feed. Right now it is a stories. Okay, stories, your ad will display like this. If it is a search result, okay, your if somebody is searching in the Facebook, your ad will display. Instagram search results, your ad will display like this. Okay, similarly marketing messages. See, in the see, this ad is visible on the messenger. Okay, messenger. So like that, you can select based on your requirement, and after that, you just click on the preview to publish. So once you are done with it, you can see the complete, your campaign details and your okay, your ad set. You can just see the preview, all the things which you selected. Okay, still we are not done because we just need to move to the next stage also. Right now we are done with the ad set. Is everyone understand completely about ad set? Clear? Is everyone clear with the ad set? Yes. What are the options are there? How to do the targeting? What are the different targeting options are available? How to select a budget? How to you can say which platform to select, how to choose a platform, where to display your ad, everything you can see here. Okay, ad set is a very important part. Okay, after campaign. So you can suppose while giving the ad set name, let's say if I given the detailed targeting. Okay, suppose right now whatever we have seen, those that is under detailed targeting. So you can write as a detailed targeting. Let's say I have selected a location Hyderabad. You can write HYD. Okay, because see, by seeing the name, we can able to understand. Okay, suppose this is a Independence Day campaign. It is started on 15th. It is LB, means it is a daily budget, lifetime budget. It is a detailed targeting. It is a Hyderabad. So you can understand completely. By you no need to, suppose if you don't write the name properly, then what happens? You need to come here and check each and every option. Then you will understand. Okay, but suppose for one campaign and one ad set, it is easy. Imagine if you have a 10 different campaigns and 10 different ad sets. So you'll get a lot of confusion. Okay, by mistake you do one thing instead of another. So that is a problem. So done with it. Okay, I have successfully completed my campaign stage. I have successfully completed my ad set stage. Now I'm in the final stage, which is ads. Okay, for naming ad also you'll do the naming properly. Okay, let's say IND. Let's say this is a, you can create a multiple ads. Okay, for one ad set, in one ad set you can create a multiple ads. For one campaign we can create a multiple ad sets. For one ad set we can create a multiple ads. So ad name also you can do, suppose one ad you have created for with 10% offer, another ad you have created for 20% offer. So you can just give them in the names so that you will be able to easily understand. Okay, after that you will have the Instagram. You can have a Facebook page, you can have an Instagram page. So make sure here, okay, here you can see, because my Facebook page and Instagram page are already connected, you can able to see like this. Sometimes what happens if you did not connected your Instagram profile. So I think right now my Facebook page, suppose to connect your Instagram, you can just Now you need to come here and connect. Okay, that is a problem. Initially, while creating the page only, you connected Facebook and Instagram. Then what happens? You can easily select okay here instead of after. Otherwise, your ad will not show in Instagram. You just need to come here and connect again. Okay, so make sure your Instagram is connected to your Facebook starting only, so that you can come here and directly select it. Okay, and a ad setup. So whether it is a single image or a video or carousel. Carousel means it will visible like a cards. Okay, let me show you how the carousel look like. Suppose you can say here there is a multiple cards will be there. Okay, not a single image. If it is a single image, it looks like normally. But suppose you can see this is like a carousel ad. Are you able to see, everyone? This is how the carousel ads looks like, where the multiple cards will be there back and back to back. See, this is the one here. So here you can target multiple products. That is the advantage of a carousel. Are you able to see this, everyone? Okay, this is a carousel ad. So right now I don't want to go with the carousel. To create a carousel, you first need to create a multiple images and then you need to come here. So right now I'm just using single image or single video. Okay. Either you here we can create a ad using their existing. So we already have a Facebook. We already have an ad is posted on our Facebook page. Then we can take that. Okay. You can use a creator hub markup to create an ad. Okay, but right now I just click on create ad and I have selected single image. Your ad can appear with others in the same ad unit to help promote discoverability. Your ad creative may be resized or cropped. Okay, multi-advertiser ad. This I think it came recently, where it will show your ad with multiple other ads. Okay, we can select or disable. It's our wish. And then because we have selected the instant form, right? Did you remember it? At starting at the campaign level and ad set level, we have selected instant form. That is the reason form is showing right now. So you can see how the form will be visible. Okay, right now one form is already. So let me show you. Yeah, let me do one thing. So let me show you create an instant form. So see here you can create a form. Enter your website form URL and we will generate. This is also newly came where you can just uh, suppose let's say in our website generally we have any website we generally have a contact form. What we can do, we can just give the contact form or maybe sometimes landing page will be there. Let's see, I have also not used this previously. Let us see what it will do. So generate a form. So I have given my form and I asked to generate a form. Let's see whether it is generating a form. Okay, let's see whether it is a generating a form. And what all the fields. See, this is a form. Okay, this is what we call as a lead form. Okay, see name, email ID, phone, company name, phone number, and what can we help you with. Okay, so this is a just a simple form. This we call as a lead form. Okay, lead form is very important. Okay, that is how you generate a lead. Suppose if the page is not happen, suppose sometimes what some people do mistake, they will give the form link, but they will give the landing page, but this page will not work. Then what happens? All the amount, all the budget you have put into run the ads, everything is gonna waste. So make sure your landing page and everything is working properly before running any ads. Okay. Oh, see, this is beautiful. Now on the right side, you can see form details. It has generated at 7:34 a.m. means it's not our time, but yeah, it has given a more volume. It has given. It has taken the intro from the page. Get in touch with Digital Home. It has given the headline. Reach out to our digital marketing team for success. It has given the some questions. Email ID, phone number, full name. It has taken privacy policy and all. It has taken all these things. It has taken automatically. Okay. See, once somebody fill the form, then this is what they will see. Thanks, you are all set. You can visit our website or exit the form. Okay. So here there is a website link. So if these things are okay, you can click on create a form. But suppose if I am not okay with that, then what I can do, I can just change. Okay. I can come here manually. Suppose more volume means the difference between more volume and higher intent. Higher intent means you want to get more information. See, here required leads to verify their phone number with a one-time passcode. Means with a OTP. Means when somebody fill the form, then it will ask to submit an OTP. Means that is a higher intent. When somebody is entering the OTP means they are very much interested in your service. If I select more volume, then there is no OTP, nothing. What happens? There are even some random people also fill the form very normally. Okay, they are not ready to take the service or they are not interested, but still they click on the ad and they fill the form. Okay, that is a waste of time and money. Okay, both for mainly for company. So that is the reason some brands, suppose if you want only quality leads, which are important, which are interested, then you can increase the hiring. And also you can add multiple questions. Suppose right now only email ID, phone number, name is there, but you can add a lot of questions. Okay, WhatsApp number, your address, your date of birth, relationship, education, job title. See, the more fields you add, the more people will not fill the form. Okay. So if I just need to fill the name and phone number, anyone can fill. But if you ask them all the details, then they are not interested to give all the details. Okay. Especially for the people who are not interested. Then what happens? They will leave the form. Okay. If you want more leads, you just need to do low number of questions. If you want lesser leads, less number of leads, but quality of the high quality leads, then you need to ask more questions. Is everyone understand this concept? Put in the type chat yes if you understand. Everyone, great. So once you are done with it, everything okay. Suppose here the image creative used in your ad will appear here. Okay. So right now I did not given any image in the ad in my ad still. So that is the reason it is not showing. So I can create a form, but right now I don't create because I already have multiple forms. Okay. I just selected one of my previous form, and after that you can see you can do this quality filter also require SMS verification to submit a form, which we already seen. Okay, and we can connect to Google Sheet also. Suppose what happens, you can connect to your Google Sheet. Then all the whatever the leads which will come here, they will go to the Google Sheet. Okay, and there is something called CRM. CRM means Customer Relationship Management software. Okay, what it will do, see, these are all different CRM, Zapier, HubSpot. Okay, what they will do, they are a softwares. Okay, your leads will be updated in the software so that it will be easy for the sales team. Okay, once we got a lead, then the sales team needs to contact the lead. Okay, immediately as soon as we can. Then only the sale will happen. there is a more chance to happen sale. Suppose if you got a lead to many businesses, what the mistake they do is they get a lead today and they will call to that lead after 3 4 days. By that time, the person who filled the form, they may not be interested also. Did you get it, everyone? So that is a Google Sheet. Okay, if you don't have a CRM, you can set up for the Google Sheet, you can run it, and then you can suppose if you have the CRM, you can connect to your CRM. And here you can select the messaging platforms also. Okay, suppose if I want to connect to my WhatsApp, then I need to connect my WhatsApp number here. Okay, see here the WhatsApp number is already linked. So I'm just continue. And here you need to suppose we can use this chat also, some automation. It is also newly came, but important thing is the ad. Okay, suppose here these are some random ads. Okay, this is very, very long back. That is the reason the ads you see are not at all looking good. Okay, but this is when I started. Okay, when I started my career that time. So you can see this is although it's a so bad ad. Okay, the ad is not at all looking good. The design is so bad. Okay, this is not right design. But I'm just showing you the example. Okay, so we can add the text, we can do the headline, we can do the primary text. Primary text means it will be visible. Suppose we can take the help of the chat GPT also. Give me a primary text to promote my digital marketing services. Okay. It has given some primary text. Okay. If you think it is good, multiple options it has given. Let's say I'll take some option and I will so make sure when you are taking the primary text or the headline, you should not give it these randomly. Okay, it should be very attractive. The more attractive, the more engaging the headlines and text, the more leads you will get it. Okay, call to action, I can give, let's say book now or get offer, whatever. Okay. So these things you need to test. Okay, we don't know which one this option is not available and another headline is empty. Okay, I need to give at least one headline. So let's say book book your consultation. Book your free consultation. Okay, I have given the headline, I have given the primary text. You can also do the description also, but right now that is not a mandatory, so I'll just leave it. So book a free consultation. Next, okay, I have given a call to action. Very important. Call to action is very important. So you must select a proper call to action. So after that, it is these are all AI. I think you can add a music, you can add a text improvements. This is all with the AI. Okay. Using the Meta AI, I think it is doing that. But right now, this is how our ad will appear in Instagram. Okay. So remaining also it is working. You see, it is asking, it is also adding the music, it is also improving the text. Okay, so it is still working, but right now I'll just click on done. So these are all enhancements it is doing. Okay, so see, this is how you can see on the right side. This is how our ad will preview. Okay, you can see how your ad is appearing on feed, on the mobile. So see, on the mobile, it is not good. So it actually in the Instagram story, it is not coming properly. Okay, so then what we need to do, we need to give multiple images here. Okay, when we give the media here, right now we just given one random image. Okay, rather than that, if we add more images, okay, edit, edit media, continue. Okay, so here you can upload more images of different sizes. If you upload your logo, if you upload your uh, multiple images, then what happens? Then it will try to take multiple images. This is some random ad again, which is not at all good. But you can see this is how the ad will appear. Okay. This is better compared to earlier. This is much better. You can also see here on the right side, if you click on the advanced preview, you can see here how your ad is appearing in different places. Okay, how it is in Facebook feed, how it is in Instagram feed, how it is in Instagram stories. Okay, how it is in Reels. Everywhere you can see. If you think somewhere it is not good, then you can just expand or refresh or edit. Okay, you can do that. So see in Instagram Reels, it is visible like this. So if you think everything is proper, then only click on save and then you can publish. So right now, I think my ad is fine. Okay, I'm just so this is how my ad will appear. You can see the headline I have given is there. My call to action is there. My primary text is there. Everything is there. Okay. So once you give all the details, everything, all you just need to do is publish. Okay. Once you think everything is perfect. Okay. Once you think everything is perfect, you just come here and publish. Okay. So let me click on publish because we have the some payment. I think it will throw a payment error. See, one ad set and one ad were not published because of errors. All other items were published. So we can see why they are not published. So it is saying budget is too low. I think I have added some 100 rupees or something for the campaign. That is a problem. So let's see the budget. Yeah, so see lifetime budget I have added 350, which is very low. Suppose I'll add one more zero, which is also low because I have selected 2 months, right? For 2 months lifetime, that is not at all. The campaign budget must be at least 2781 to account for all ad set budgets in this campaign. Go to budget and update your campaign budget. So right now I'm in the budget only. I'm in the campaign budget only. But why it is not taking even 30,000? Let's see 2781. 2782. Hmm. Budget is too low. Campaign budget must be. Let's do one thing. Oh, I think I have two ad sets. Although I've created only one ad set, but maybe it has copied. Yeah, I forgot. So what can we do is we can delete one ad set here, which I don't want. So I have now only one ad set. In this ad set, so what I will do is I'll reduce. Maybe I'll do to only 4 days. Okay, from 16th June to 19th June. And see now it is telling your lifetime budget looks higher than usual. That is okay for me. Okay. what I'll just do publish. So see, now the campaign is updated. This is our campaign which we created. It is showing payment error because I have some payment issue with my ad account. So that is the reason it is showing. Otherwise, it will show your ad is in review. So starting, it will show your ad is in review. Once your Facebook approve your ad, okay, then it will show active. Okay, right now because of the error, it is showing payment error. Otherwise, it is good. We are good to go. Understand? Is everyone clear? Got it? Yes. Any questions? Great. So I just want today's assignment will be I want everyone to create a ad campaign. Okay, create a campaign for your business. You already selected your business. You already I already told everyone to create a buyer persona, target market, so everything. So what I want you to do is explore the ad mainly ad set. Okay, ad set, target audience and everything. Just explore in detail, and also explore ad set, and then once you explore all the options both in the campaign, ad set, and ad level, then try to publish it. Okay, if you have a money, just add 100 rupees or 200 rupees on your ad budget, then you will understand. You can see the metrics here. Okay, so if I come here, uh, let me select the maximum. Okay, here you can select the dates. So see, this campaign spent 1,600 rupees. It has reached to 13,000, 14,000 people. Okay, impressions means one person, suppose say 12,000 are unique. But some people may have seen the ad multiple times. So that is the reason impressions are always higher than reach. And if I come other metrics, I think because of the error, it should show the results also. But because of the error, it is these are all not showing. Okay. So like that, when you spend some amount, even 100 rupees also, it will try to see here number of leads we got and how much see per lead, what is the cost per lead. Suppose here we have spent 2,680 rupees. It has reached to 10,000 people, and for each lead, okay, for each lead we got for 116 rupees. Okay, this is a long back. Okay, this is not recent one. Now maybe the costs can increase or decrease, depends on how we created the campaign. So see, important thing is anyone can create a campaign, but important thing is you need to know how to fix an issue. Okay, suppose if there is any issue comes, you just need to know how to address that issue, and also you need to give the lowest cost per lead. Suppose let's say you now, suppose Shruti knows, Akshita knows, Indra knows, or Sai Kirtana, we all know now how to create a campaign. Now we all can create a campaign. But suppose if Shruti created a campaign, she is getting one lead for same business. Okay, for same business only. If Shruti is getting a lead for 500 rupees, Akshita is getting a lead for 300 rupees, and I got a lead for 1,000 rupees, and Sai Kirtana, let's say, got a lead for 100 rupees. Now, can anyone tell me who is the best person in running the campaign? Yes, can anyone tell me? Who is the lowest cost per lead? So whoever the lowest cost per lead, that person, we can call that person not only lowest cost per lead, but that is a one important thing. Suppose if same quality lead, if one person is getting for 1,000 rupees and another person is giving for 100 rupees, then automatically people who is doing for 100 rupees is doing better than what other person is doing. And as that will come with your expertise. You know, the more you try, the more you test, the more you run, the more you do the changes, the more you observe. Okay. So when you do this thing repeatedly, when you try test different things, when you learn more, okay, how to get when you think how to make it better, so then new ideas comes, okay, better design, attractive design or better messaging, okay, so that people can attract your ad immediately, or they will fill the form, they may like your offer. So all these things are matter. Okay. So I think that's it related to meta ads. We are done with it. Maybe small few concepts are there which we'll discuss the next class, and then we'll move to the another concept. Am I clear, everyone? Are we good to go? So thank you so much for attending. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next session, and make sure you do your assignment in the meantime. Okay. Bye bye.